What's up, y'all? It's Justicemariee, and I'm back with another video. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. As y'all can tell by the title, I'm coming to you guys with another hair review. This hair is from Yolissa's hair. This is their front lace wig. The texture is body wave. I believe the length is 22 or 24. Get into it. Like, this time I didn't do baby hairs. I do have another video that I just posted, you know, with baby hairs. Some people like baby hairs, some people don't. But I just wanted to show you guys, like, how a wig can look. Hold on, y'all, my camera's sliding. Because some people don't be wanting baby hairs. But I'm about to show y'all how y'all get this sleek hairstyle with no baby hairs, with these nice curls. I didn't, like, fully show y'all, like, me recording because it's simple. My camera keeps sliding, y'all. I mean, I put a little clip in just so y'all could see. Basically, anything in the front, you want to curl backwards. Like, you want to curl the opposite way from your face. And then this one, I curled this way, like, wrapping it this way. But don't do that. You want to bring it back this way. But other than that, like, everything came out cute. Hold on, y'all. But, yeah, y'all. So, this is how it looks. I'm going to give this company a 10 out of 10. This is my first time wearing this wig, as y'all can see later down the video, so I can't really tell if it sheds. I did have to bleach my knots, and I did have to pluck my lace because the lace did come like thick, so I did have to, you know, pluck and just get it how I wanted it to be. Yeah, y'all, this is the finishing look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think about this hair. I specifically did this video for the girls that don't like baby hairs, that don't know how to do baby hairs. So this was basically just showing, like, girl, you don't need baby hairs. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think, and yeah, we finna get into this video.
Shanti, chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you rock for me? Oh baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you roll for me? Oh baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh baby, when you're kissing me. Oh baby, when you're loving me. I can't describe what I wanna do to you tonight. Oh baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave. Can you rock for me? Oh baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh baby, all over me, take control of me. I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. See, I don't know if I could handle you as just a friend. Oh baby, I can't pretend. Oh baby, I'm so far in, but I don't mind as long as I could have you in my life. Oh baby, I'm satisfied, even if you're not just mine. Can you rock for me? Oh baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you. Can you roll with me? Oh baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do stick to the business. But you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. Goddamn, baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we could build, do different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way.
I hadn't called in. Would you have even told me about this?
Crazy. Of course I would have told you.
Yeah, like you told me about the Christmas party, huh? Or what about the parking garage? Yes, you told me about you being in the parking garage with this woman. What else haven't you told me, Derek? Because all I'm hearing are things you haven't told me.
I was wrong. I should have told you the truth from the beginning, but I...
You should have. Why didn't you?
Because you know what? I didn't think it was a big deal in the first place, and then I was kind of embarrassed. How do I say it to you about looking like...
Guilty? White Derek.
You know that I miss you, but I be getting mixed signals while you slow down. Don't stop this green light. Now you gotta be special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you wanna get aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me believe nightmares turn into a dream? If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and closer. Phone ringing like over and over. Cause you keep calling me back. La 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 la. Why you keep calling me back? Love needing you switch up. I'd rather we never pick up, but can we slip up and mix up sometimes? You say it don't mean you just want it when it's convenient. Am I crazy for waiting on my side? Now you calling me special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you wanna get aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me believe nightmares turn into a dream? If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and closer. Phone ringing like over and over. Cause you keep calling me back. La 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 la. Why you keep calling me back? Back. Now you walking on a thin line. We've been through it like 10 times. I'ma put you in line. Yeah, I had you on an incline. Now I don't even wanna reply. I'ma have to decline. Yeah, you showed me I don't wanna rewind. Yeah, no, you a 10, but that attitude ain't fine.
Eclipse. All in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna